Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Tushar from Canada PR Info. In this video, I will tell you the most common reasons for rejection of express entry application. And I will also describe various suggestions to avoid these mistakes. So in this video, I will brief you about why express entry application gets rejected. It may be due to the mistakes in work experience letter, police clearance certificate means PCC, mistakes in medical reports, file type and conversions, proof of education documents, mistakes in translation documents, inability to show the proof of funds, misrepresentation, non-eligibility, and missing a deadline of an application. Okay friends, so before I start, I do create lots of videos about Canada immigration and Canadian lifestyle. So please do subscribe my YouTube channel Canada PR Info for the latest updates and videos. And click on the bell icon so you do not miss a single video in your journey to become a Canada PR. Okay friends, so now let's begin. The first reason of express entry application rejection is due to the work experience or employment record. If your work experience letter or reference letter does not match with the selected NOC, then your file can be rejected. This is the most common reason for the rejection of express entry application. For example, your work experience is in the NOC code 2173, which is for software engineers and designers, and your submitted work experience letters for this NOC code are not matched with the roles and responsibilities of NOC 2173. So there is a mismatch in the main duties. So it is expected that your main duties should be matched at least 70 to 80% for the selected NOC code. So guys, find your NOC code very carefully after reading the roles and responsibilities. The another reason is that work experience letters are not printed on the company letterhead and it cannot be verified due to the lack of company's contact information such as address, telephone number, email address, and your immediate supervisor or HR manager details such as name, designation, email address matching with company domain and contact number. So these informations are not present in the work experience letter. So here the tip is that your work experience letter should contain this information in order to avoid rejection. Okay friends. Now third important reason is that if you have not included all the job positions or posts held while employed at the company and does not included following details such as job title, duties and responsibilities, job status if it is a current job, the exact dates worked for the company, number of hours per week, annual salary plus benefits, then your express entry application can be rejected. So make sure that you should include these details for all the job positions that you have held during your employment. Okay friends, so I hope this is clear. In addition, you should also provide some additional documents for your proof of employment. However, it is not essential, but most of the candidates do that. So you can convince immigration officer by attaching additional documents such as provident fund or pension record, pay slips, income tax records, bank statements of salary accounts. So guys, double check your work experience letter and make sure that the above discussed mistakes should be avoided. And in case if you want to know in detail how to write work experience letter as per the express entry requirements, you can watch this video. And in case if you are not able to obtain a work experience letter from your employer, then you can watch this video. In this, I have explained the solution for that. Okay, let's move on. Second most important reason of express entry application rejection is due to police clearance certificate, means PCC. The first thing is that if your PCC is not scanned in the color, then your express entry application can be rejected. Or if you have not included PCC in the application and you have not provided explanation that why you were not able to attach it, in that case you should attach the evidence such as documents of PCC application submitted, payment receipt which proves that you tried to obtain police clearance certificate but you did not get it, and write clear letter of explanation to the immigration officer and try to convince him. Okay, the another thing is if your PCC does not cover full period of stay, means for example if you stayed in India until 10th May 2020 but in your PCC the last date was 13th April 2020, so there is a gap of 10 days, so you should not miss a single day. Okay, otherwise your application could be rejected. The another thing is if you have not attached the PCC of that country where you have lived more than 6 months in a row, then your application could be rejected. Okay, so here I would like to give you some advice. You should try to get PCC from the central or federal system. So if you are an Indian applicant, then you should get PCC from the Passport Seva Ministry of External Affairs Government of India, from where you issued your passport. And you should not obtain police clearance certificate from the district police station. Many local or district police stations are not aware with the format which lead to rejection of your express entry application. If you are not an Indian candidate, you can visit this website and find out the designated place to get police clearance certificate. Okay. Now third most important reason of express entry application rejection is because of translation of documents. If the submitted documents are not in a language in English or French, then your application may be rejected. In that case, you should translate the documents in English or French language and provide following three things. The number one is English or French translation. The number two, an affidavit from the person who completed the translation. It is called as translator affidavit. Many candidates do not know about that. And number three is certified photocopy of original document. So in conclusion, you need to attach these three documents if any of your document such as birth certificate or marriage certificate is not in the English or French language. Okay, now fourth important reason of express entry application rejection is due to inability to show proof of funds. So if you are not able to show enough proof of funds as per the IRCC requirement, your application can be rejected. So I advise that you should provide all the required proof of your financial assets based on the requirements of your PR application. And you should maintain extra 1000 to 1500 Canadian dollars in your bank account to avoid dollar price fluctuation. For example, if you are a family of 3 members, then you need to maintain 19,836 Canadian dollars in your bank account. Then you can maintain 21,000 to 21,500 Canadian dollars in your bank account to avoid dollar price fluctuation. In addition, I would like to recommend that if you have any confusion regarding your proof of funds, you can watch this video which is available on my YouTube channel, in which I have explained about balance certificate format, how much money do you need, can you count the money which is in joint accounts, gift deed format, and everything that you would like to know about proof of funds. Okay, so you can explore it if you want to know these things. Okay, let's move on. The fifth most important reason of express entry application rejection is due to the incorrect or missing education details. It may be because of incorrect ECA number is written in your express entry application, or you have not included degree certificates, which is essential. So I advise that you should include transcripts or mark sheets along with degree certificates, and you should include IELTS report card and ECA report in the education section. So please note that IRCC will reject your application under section R10 if you were not attached the required documents. Okay, moreover, if you want to know about the documents that you require after getting ITA, how to arrange and upload these documents, then you can watch this video. Okay, now sixth important reason of express entry application rejection is due to the medical reports. If you are unable to get upfront medical reports due to some reason, or your submitted medical reports from a doctor who is not a registered as approved panel doctor by IRCC Canada. So guys, check IRCC websites before booking the appointment, and to do that you can just type find a panel physician in the Google and open the first link, and just select your country and you will get the list of panel physicians of your country, and then you can book the appointment. Okay friends, the next seventh important reason of express entry application rejection is due to the file type and conversion. If uploaded files are not in the approved format such as PDF, JPG, TIFF, PNG, doc and docx, then your file can be rejected. Your uploaded files must be among these formats, and your files are clear and readable. This problem would be arised when you have to upload multiple documents in one section. So I advise that you should scan all the documents in color version with approximately 200 dpi if possible. However, it is essential for the PCC. Guys, PCC must be in the color copy. After scanning, you can compress these documents using such free websites such as pdfcompressor.com, ilovepdf.com, foxitsoftware.com, and you have to combine all the documents, and total size should be less than 4 MB for each section. So after that, you have to do double check your files. It should be clear and readable. Okay friends, so the now next and the eighth reason for your express entry application rejection is due to the misrepresentation. It may be intentionally or unintentionally. It means that if you have provided incomplete or false information, then your application can be rejected. So friends, I suggest that never submit false documents about your work experience, proof of funds, etc. Okay, and incomplete information due to misunderstanding the instructions in the form and making mistakes in filling them. So be careful when you are filling your application, and any small mistakes could ban you from reapplying for a Canada PR visa in the future. Okay. Now ninth important reason of express entry application rejection is due to non-eligibility. Canada has several immigration programs with their individual eligibility requirements such as age, educational qualification, work experience, skill level, etc. So your PR application could be rejected if you do not meet the eligibility requirements or fail to give the right information. So in conclusion, make sure that you understand the express entry program eligibility requirements correctly. Okay, now the 10th important reason of express entry application rejection is due to missing a deadline. So your visa application process involves many steps, and applicants are given a deadline to finish each steps such as biometric submission, passport submission, document submission, and failure to complete these steps within the deadline could be a reason of rejection. Okay, so make sure that you should actively check your email and spam folder for any updates of your express entry application. Even I saw my passport request letter after 15 days in the spam folder. Okay, so you should not do that mistake. Okay friends, so for more information about express entry program, you can explore the following videos. This video is about what is express entry, how it works, its eligibility criteria, and step by step explanation about Federal Skilled Worker Program, Canadian Experience Class, and Federal Skilled Trade Program. Okay, this video is about how to calculate points for the Federal Skilled Worker Program. So if you want, you can explore it. This video is about how to determine your eligibility for Express Entry Program. So you can use Come to Canada tool and check your eligibility in 10 minutes. Okay, now next video is about how to find your NOC code for the Express Entry Program as well as for the PNP program. Okay, then the next video is about how to create your Express Entry profile. You can do it with yourself without help of anyone. Okay, step by step process is explained in this video, so you can explore it if you want. And in this video you will get to know about how to update your Express Entry profile details such as IELTS results, ECA, and work experience. Okay friends, so I think I have covered all the things regarding the rejection of Express Entry profile. And if you have any queries, you may write it in the comment section of this video below. And please click on the like button if you like the video. And please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Canada PR Info to receive the latest updates and videos. Okay, thank you. Best wishes.